Hi, friends! Let's be kind. Help each other. Help each other and have fun together.
Meet Mrs. Patel. Her shopping bags just had a bit of a meltdown on the high street. But before she can even blink, our resident hero, Cheeky, drops in out of nowhere. A quick swoop, a tip of the hat, and crisis averted. Just regular neighborly magic. Meanwhile, down the block, a businessman in a sharp suit takes an unexpected tumble. Classic morning disaster, right? Not on Cheeky's watch. Before a single page can drift away, or a rogue pigeon can hijack his phone, Cheeky has it all perfectly under control. Not a single page out of place. But Cheeky isn't looking for a reward for himself. Instead, he points towards something much bigger. A small gesture goes a long way. Support the Cheeky collection today, and let's keep the kindness rolling. One good deed at a time. If Cheeky inspired you today, hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Keep the kindness rolling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.